Hi, Chloe. People want to know what we feed the animals. So we're going to talk about that today. We're going to tell them what you eat. We're going to tell them what Nestor eats. And we're going to tell them what all the other animals eat. So let's get on with today's video. Is that good hay, Chloe? Yeah, that's good hay. So when we feed the hay to the horses outside, we stick it in this hay feeder. I made this hay feeder. We stick it out here, and they come out and they eat it. But as you can see, even though we give them a hay feeder, they waste a lot of hay. All right, let's go talk about their grain. So our horses get fed Senior Sentinel, or Sentinel Senior more like it. It's for older horses because our horses are older. And we give them a scoop at dinner time, and we dump their scoops into their buckets and they eat it. And that's what our horses get. And they also get plenty of hay. They get to eat 2 flakes in the morning, 2 flakes at night. So that's 4 flakes each horse, plus little Nestor. Nestor gets to eat the Pool and Grain Balancer for equine. And then we feed Nestor because the horses will eat his food if we feed him in the same area. So we feed Nestor outside under the overhang, and we put it in there, and then Nestor eats that. That's how we feed the horses up at the barn. They're out right now eating grass. They're way out there. Way out there. All right, let's go talk about the chickens. As far as the chickens go, we give them Producer's Pride feed layer mini pellets. We fill 1 bag into the feeder. They pretty much have food all the time. They can eat it whenever they want. But most of the time, they prefer to be out free ranging, eating bugs and whatever they can find in the grass. Right, Red? Red's like, yep, that's the good stuff. So that's what we do. We let them just forage for themselves, and then we give them their chicken pellets inside. But they do a pretty good job keeping the bugs out of the yard. All right, let's go talk about our ducks. Daisy and Donald. They get fed duck food, and that's inside the barn. Let's switch around. As far as the ducks, we get Purina duck food. We get that from Tractor Supply, which we get almost all our food from. It's Tractor Supply. And we give the ducks feed in their bowl that they can eat anytime. Right now they're outside, but they get to eat all they want. They come in and relax. And you can see there, that's Daisy's egg that she laid today. So we feed them, we give them water, give them a place to go outside and hang out, and they provide us with duck eggs. It's a pretty good setup. Now we'll talk about the goats. Right, Mia, Maya, Rachel, Monica. Right? For the girl goats, when they're pregnant and we're trying to have babies, we give them Demur goat sweet feed. And that's what we give them for their food, on top of giving them hay that they can eat at will. They eat all the hay they want. And they can also keep the grass and whatever vegetation out in their yard down. That's what the female goats eat. And when they're not pregnant, we give them the same food we give the male goats, which is goat feed. That's not sweet feed. And we'll show you that for the boys. For the boys and the girls, when they're not pregnant, they get Demur goat pellets. It's not sweet. The boy goats can't have the sweet feed. It gives them problems with their urinary tract. So we just give them the goat pellets. And then we also give the boy goats plenty of hay. They get plenty of hay to eat over there. And they get 2 bags. That one's almost gone. They think it's dinner time. They hear me playing with their food bags. And we stick their food in the troughs there. That's what they eat out of. Right, Gronk? Gronk's like, yeah, I want to eat. Yeah? He's like, oh, I'll play pretty so you feed me. Nope, not dinner time. Not yet. Sorry, buddy. And the girls are all, they hear me rustling with the bag, so they're all hanging around. Not dinner time yet. Sorry. Ready to eat? Yeah. Hi, Jen. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Ginger. You ready to eat? Master Buddy. You ready to eat, buddy? Huh? He's like, yes, feed me. All right, I'll come in and feed you. There you go. There you go. You can eat. You ready to go in? Come on, Nestor. Come on in. Come on. Good boy. All right. Say goodnight.